Everybody, I want to show you something. Look how freaking dapper my friend looks right now. Look at this dapper dude.
That's how we do it.
Day one. One day. The first of many. Only three. Of three. Alright, anyway.
Everybody, over here at the Hammer Lane booth. Excuse me, sir, you can't be back here.
Hey, what do you got for free?
You can't be back here.
What do you guys got?
Over here, come here.
Shirts?
Come here.
Hey, can I get free
You
stuff?
can't be back here behind the counter, sir.
Free stuff.
You can't be behind the
What do you
counter.
got for free? Free stuff. Free
We
stuff.
give you some candy.
This is what you got? Free stuff?
Candy.
Jesus.
You can't have a whole bowl.
Go to and pick up your bottle of Pro 40 using the discount code Lil Dog for 15% off.
Yeah, we'll be
Gone.
What?
Hi.
She's a footprints on the front dash. She's the reason I want this to last. She's a candle in the window, shining on and on, getting me home like a nail as a baby. She's the light of my life, the sun in the sky. I know that she'll get wishing rewind. That's all it is. Now wishing a time machine, I'll take it all back to you with me, but I'm let it go, can't let it go, can't let it go. Come on. She's a fairy, she's a perfect, she's a function.
Strolling around, looking for people.
If you're interested, you got music, bring it to us, and we'll get you out there.
Let's do that.
We're hanging out here with Tom from L&J Radio. Tell us about your record label, buddy.
Yeah, we got we review all artists and everything from R&B to country to rap and everything else. Check us out.
It's midnight down in Motivation.
What's going on, everybody? So as you can see behind me and behind Matt, you know where we're at. You know these folks. We know these folks. Yeah. Listen, I know there's other options out there for GPS, but when's the last time those other folks made a map? So make sure you stay tuned to my channel and to Matt's channel because we're going to be doing some giveaways with these folks. Giveaways with these folks. So make sure you do it. Pay attention. Morning, ladies and gentlemen. We're heading over to check out some of the show trucks. But on my way there, ran into these two jokers, and I found the king. He is alive. So there was a time before we came to the truck show that we thought, hey, and instead of going to a truck show, we could go camping. But here, you can do both. Say hi, Matt. Hi. Everybody over here at the campground.
Hey, what's up? Oh my god, I'm gonna be.
You gotta do it like you did yesterday.
Just gonna take over for a minute.
Just gonna take over for a minute, that's all.
How are you? Pretty good. How you feeling today?
You want to buy a Me Boost?
I was gonna say.
Me Boost for sale. I got the kits in my truck.
Hey.
You know, I'm really glad that you're not taller. You know, I'm really glad that you're not taller than me.
I know, right?
It's
Isn't
an
it?
amazing feeling.
But yeah, we're really enjoying the show and we're enjoying spending time with these guys. And I want to say a big shout out to.
What's going on, everybody? We're leaving Dallas. It's time to go home.
I work.
Time to go home.
Thanks for watching Lil Dog here on YouTube. Please remember to subscribe and comment.
When you filming,
We're gonna do it like this.
yeah, we're gonna duel it up.
All right, ready?
All right.
What's going on, you guys? We're
What's
over here
up?
Well, you can't keep doing that. Hold on. You weren't even recording.
I hit the button.
You're gonna have to like watch my channel now. Oh my god.
You'll send me the shot.
Oh, I'm sorry, yeah. What's up, Abe? Trophy District team here.
That's all you got?
The real trucking workout
Abe.
is coming soon. Coming soon. The real trucking workout, Abe.
They're not really that big, Abe.
Okay, all right. No, get out of here, get out of here, get out of here. Dude, I'll take this off and I'll show you.
Maybe a swollen grapefruit. That's about it.
I can't take. Is it legal here?
All right.